I got a little package in the mail from one of my favorite companies, and I am really excited to open it. So, open your package. Okay, I'll open your package. I'll open it. So, as you guys know, I am an affiliate with Peepo Paradise. Clearly, I love Peepo. I love Pepe. And they were nice enough to send me some gifts. So, we're gonna open them today. So, I know what two of the things are, but I don't know what the third thing is. Are we ready? First thing is... This is one of the first things I know about. So these are little Peepo socks. Hold on, let me open them. Oh my god, look at them! Aren't they cute? They got Peppa D. Little Peppa D socks. Oh my god, I want to put these on right now and just have foot cam. They're so cute. I'm gonna wear them in a second. Okay. Next thing is... Oh. Okay, this is the thing I didn't know I was getting sent. We got the MILF hat. Ayo. This is... Holy shit. This is really good quality. I don't know if you guys can... I don't know if it comes across on camera. Maybe on this camera. But it's a really... It's like a... I don't even know what type of fabric this is. This is nice. Cool. Look at his little face. What a cutie. I want to wear it right now. Yo. MILF hat. My favorite. Okay. And let's see. The last thing, hold on, I need to put my headphones back on so I can hear you guys again. Okay. Last thing. So, some of you guys know the tragic tale of my mug that I got. I tried to glue it back together really badly. There's a little bluey figurine inside here. Unfortunately, that mug was broken on delivery. Bluey lives inside that mug now. And they were kind enough to send me a replacement. I need to get a knife. So I'm hoping this one's not broken as well. The box looks a little busted, even though it was wrapped in bubble wrap this time. I'm really nervous. I really hope it's not broken. I'm gonna be so sad. I know it's not their fault because like I'm pretty sure it comes from like the UK, so like overseas shipping can be like very hit or miss. Oh. Oh, I think we're good. I think we're good. Look at it! Man, I love frogs. Yay, it's not broken. I'm so happy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so happy. So, you guys know the drill. Use code FLUSTEM on Peepo Paradise if you guys want to get any of these items for yourself. I also have where is it? I have the hold on, let me get it and show you guys. I also have the Pepe hat from Peepo Paradise, which is like, maybe you can see it with my new camera. It's such a like interesting quality. It's like a, I don't even know what the word is. It's like a towel. It's the same material as a towel. So that's cool. So you can get that. I also have the Wicked air freshener, which is so good. So I have that in my car. I also got the cookie cutters, but I need to find somewhere that can 3D print them for me. Because they just gave me the files, so I need to 3D print the cookie cutters. So then maybe I can make some Pepe cookies. Future cooking stream, maybe. And then, yeah. So again, code FLUSTEM on Peepo Paradise. Okay, well there you go. There's a little unboxing. Thank you so much, Peepo Paradise. Honestly, the people over at Peepo Paradise are the nicest people I've ever worked with. I'm so grateful for them to be like my first like company that have sent me stuff. I love Pepe so much, as you guys know from the little Pepe in the corner as well. Should I leave this here as like a setup? Oh my god, stop, that looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. That's gonna be the new setup. These socks are so cute. I love them. Look at them. Oh my god, the quality. Look at the autofocus on my new camera. I love them. Yeah, like I do like a foot cam. And then I just put my feet up. Look at these dogs. Look at these socks. Aren't they cute? Beautiful. Stylish. I love them. Use code FLUSTEM on Peepo Paradise. Free dogs.